I'm standing up because this is pretty big, but it's very beautiful. I really love this. I call this center square. This is very simple, especially if you're a beginner. Very simple. Now, first of all, look at the fabrics I chose. They're beautiful. I really love them. They are part of the New World collection. It's a Benartex fabric. We will link to that in the description. They're designed by Rob Appel. They're really, really nice. So what we're going to do is just make one of these squares. Really easy to do. I chose my own sizes. So I decided I wanted a 4-inch square center. So I cut a 4-inch piece of black fabric. And then I needed 2 4-inch squares to go on either side of it, because that's going to make my center row. Simple enough, right? I fold this over and stitch it. I fold this over and stitch it at 1/4 inch, open it up. I've got my center row. Now at this point, whatever size square you chose to start with, you're going to have your center row completed, and you're going to measure how wide is that. So for me, I am cutting my next piece 4 inches by 11 inches, because that is going to fit the top and it's going to fit the bottom, just like this. I will fold this over, stitch it 1/4 inch and open it. And same with that. It's the simplest design, but when you put it together with all of these other things, it is so beautiful, and you can make you can make a beautiful quilt with this. Again, I think the fabrics are a key to this, because if you choose some vibrant colors, think about your center square. I like black when I'm using vibrant colors. If I was using something different, I might choose a white, and heck, I might even just choose a special print in each one of those, or fussy cut a design or some element out of a piece of fabric. Your choices are endless with this. This here is just the basic square. This is also just the basic square. They were so simple to make. This was very fast, really quick project. I hope you'll give this a try. I hope you will like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.